Uh-huh. That is a clean bed. Today in the morning, I dropped my board in the water. I just let it slide, catch it, and then get back with the excitement of it. I made it on the boat, and we are getting ready to live with.
T'as vu, ça plane, hein? Il faut du vent quand même.
With a little Genoa, I'm putting the rye more in front, and tomorrow with the big sail I'm gonna bring it all in front. It's so beautiful. Just a little bit more wind, and I have here my 3 controls for head, an amazing day. We arrived. The training was amazing, and it was windy, but it was there were some waves. So tomorrow we come back. See you. On fait des ciseaux. Les voiles sont jolies, bien ouvertes. On a pas mal de vent. It's now 10 o'clock, and we are doing some packing to get used with it until the race a little bit with the Genoa. It's not a bad of a day. It's really nice. We'll see. Now there's the parkers. There's the way that we have to go, and on this other side I have the name of the buoy and their colors. The red one is the red buoy, and the green one is vert. So we're going here now. A day to remember. All the buoys red, 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 red. I'm watching videos about this vinegar, and this is Chinese. Gata ne mutăm. And just like that, with the boat, I didn't know that I'm gonna be here today. Oh my god. I wake up in a place and then I end up in a totally other place. Now I will live here for the next week. guess the evening finds me in a boatyard, very high, in the boatyard. So now there's the moon. Everybody's kind of like, no, 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 oh my god, you're a boat. You're a boat, you cannot sail with your boat. And I'm like, yeah, well, you know what, I am going to. So yes, here we are. It feels so strange to be in such a place. And when I see things into perspective, I feel that in this period of my life I'm learning so much. I'm totally outside of my comfort zone. I have no idea about this world. I love it very much, but I just jumped into it without knowing anything about it, and I find myself in the strangest of situations. Check out the moon with my mast. It's I want to remember this. Good morning from the boatyard. Ici on a des conditions météo favorables pour faire des travaux en bateau. On est après. Merci pour être ici.
De rien. Il n'y a plus qu'à poncer maintenant.
Yes. Yes.
Ça ressemblait à un stronc.
Ouais.
Tout bleu.
So there are the through holes that I'm going to try to change today. Good morning. It's the third day that I am in shipyard. It's the third day that I'm in the shipyard, and it is 8:30 in the morning, and I'm working on the through holes. It's now the third day that my boat is out of the water. The through holes are in place, and tomorrow I'm going to paint, to do the bottom paint, and then we're going back in the water. I really didn't expect us to go. I got to go so quickly. I got the boat out Monday, and on Friday it will be ready to launch. Away from the boatyard. I'm super happy. I made it back to the anchorage that I love at Baie des Flamandes, and now it's play every day until the Christmas day.